How to hide that you saw someone's TikTok. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open TikTok and log into your account. After that, click on your profile located on bottom right corner of your screen. Then you'll find footstep-like option on top right corner of your screen beside three lines. In here, you'll find settings on top right. Click on it and turn this viewer's history off. After you turn it off, you won't be able to see anyone's visiting your profile, or you won't see if you saw someone's TikTok or if you visited someone's TikTok profile. After that, you're good to go. This is how to hide that you saw someone's TikTok. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I'm Sophia signing off. Until next time.